here. Spaghetti Cacio and Pepe, I believe. So I thought another Trader Joe's, but now it's Trader Joe's. Going from one place to another. Trader Min's, Trader Joe's, Trader Joe's. I don't know where I'm going right now.
Spaghetti pasta in a rich, creamy sauce with Pecorino Romano cheese and black pepper.
Never tasted it before. So this is just a serving suggestion. Nutrition facts and ingredients. Nutrition facts. I'll hold it up for you. And ingredients. It contains butter. It contains milk, wheat, and may contain traces of soy. So heating instructions: heat from frozen. So this is a stovetop and this is a microwave, 1,200 watts, which I don't know what that is. And let me just cut it up for you guys so you guys can see what's inside. Okay, this time another in balls again. And not my favorite style of smell. Not my style. Anyways, since I'm gonna taste it anyway, let's go and heat it on the stovetop, I believe. Oh, did I mention the price? $3.99. And on the stovetop, the fire is on to a place between high and medium. So the smell I said that was not my style was actually the cheese. And if you see, as I talk to point what I'm trying to show you guys, wait, where is it? This one. Can you see my tongs? This one, if you see this part, it's kind of melting in the heat from the fire. Anyways. Also in instructions, since I'm doing it on the stovetop, it says if you're doing it on the stovetop, put 2 tablespoons of water into the pan. So I put the 2 tablespoons in. So this is what it looks like. It's melted more than it showed last time. And let's go to the table. So this is the finished noodles or pasta, I mean. So now I'm gonna taste it with my little fork. It's a bit hot. So by the smell, it's not really a smell that I personally like. Those like cheese would be like in heaven. Cheese heaven. Well, like a 3-bite rule. If you guys don't know what the 3-bite rule is, if you're tasting a new food, take 3 bites of it. Because actually, it won't be too bad. And if you even don't like it, it's okay. I mean, it's just food. The next day it's gonna be like, did I even eat that food? I think it's because of the black pepper. It is kind of spicy in a way. Not my style though. I mean, those like cheese would be like great. So my father's gonna eat the rest. So my father tasted it. He said since my father likes Alfredo sauce, he said he loves it. So if you remember the roasted pepper tomato soup, they mixed it with the pasta and they said they really loved it. So just a little recipe for you guys if you want to try it out. So that's really it for the day. Subscribe and press the like button. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.